Why TOEFL? What sets it apart? Let's answer this recurring question and set things straight for aspirants. Before we dive in, here's your reminder to use this code to save 1500 rupees on your TOEFL registration. Now, back to the topic, why TOEFL is the smart choice. First, TOEFL is accepted by over 13,000 universities in more than 160 countries. That means the chance of getting into their first or second choice university is higher for TOEFL takers. And here's a fun fact, 40 million people have taken TOEFL and trusted it as a partner in their study abroad journey. Second, it's convenient. With so many test centers and time slots, it's your choice when and where you want to take the test. And you won't believe it, the test is under 2 hours. TOEFL has you covered with a full range of practice materials. With TOEFL Test Ready and TOEFL Beginner's Guide, you will get access to personalized feedback, practice tests, and progress tracking all in one place. To get a free copy of TOEFL's Beginner's Guide, create your free TOEFL account. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such tips.